A day in Tom's life. Hello, my name is Tom. I am 12 years old, and I live in a small town with my family. Let me tell you about my typical day. I wake up every morning at 7 a.m. My alarm clock rings loudly, and I get out of bed. Good morning, world, I say to myself, stretching my arms. Then I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. The cold water helps me wake up completely. After that, I comb my hair and get dressed for school. At 7:30 a.m., I go to the kitchen. My mom is always there making breakfast. Good morning, Tom, she says with a smile. Good morning, Mom, I reply. Today we have scrambled eggs, toast with butter, and orange juice. Breakfast is my favorite meal because it gives me energy for the day. I eat quickly because I don't want to be late for school. After breakfast, I help my mom clean the table. Then I grab my backpack, put on my shoes, and head out the door. I walk to school with my best friend, Jack. The school is not far from our houses, so it only takes about 15 minutes. On the way, we talk about all sorts of things. Today, we are discussing our favorite video games and what we want to do during the weekend. Jack says he wants to go to the park, and I think that's a great idea. We arrive at school at 8 a.m., just in time for the first class. The first subject of the day is math. I like math because I enjoy solving problems and learning new formulas. Today, we learn about fractions. Our teacher, Mr. Brown, explains everything clearly, and I feel confident about the homework. After math, we have English. Mrs. Smith, our English teacher, is very kind and patient. She teaches us new vocabulary and helps us practice writing simple sentences. Today, we write a short story about our favorite animals. I choose to write about my dog, Buddy. At 10:30 a.m., we have a break. I go to the playground with my friends. We play soccer for about 15 minutes. It's so much fun. I'm not the best player, but I managed to score a goal today. My friends cheer, and I feel proud. After the break, we return to the classroom for science. Science is my favorite subject because I love learning about how things work. Today, we talk about plants and how they grow. We even plant some seeds in small pots. I'm excited to see how they will grow in the coming weeks. Next, we have history. I enjoy learning about the past, especially ancient civilizations. Today, we learn about ancient Egypt. Mrs. Green shows us pictures of the pyramids and talks about the pharaohs. It's fascinating. At 12:30 p.m., it's lunchtime. I take out my lunchbox, which my mom packed for me. Inside, there's a sandwich, an apple, and a small chocolate bar. I sit with my friends, and we chat while eating. We talk about our favorite TV shows and what we want to do after school. After lunch, we have art class. I love art because it allows me to be creative. Today, we are painting landscapes. I paint a picture of a sunny beach with palm trees. My teacher says it looks great, and I feel happy. The last class of the day is physical education P. We go to the gym, and today we play basketball. I'm not the tallest player, but I try my best. I even managed to score a basket, which makes me feel great. At 3 p.m., the school day ends. I walk home with Jack. We talk about the day and make plans to play video games later. When I get home, my little sister Lucy is playing with her dolls. "Hi, Tom," she says cheerfully. "Hi, Lucy," I reply, patting her on the head. I change out of my school uniform and sit at my desk to do my homework. Today, I have math and English homework. I finish the math problems quickly because I understand the lesson well. For English, I write a short paragraph about my favorite hobby, riding my bike. After finishing my homework, I have some free time. At 5 p.m., I go outside to ride my bike. The weather is perfect, and I enjoy feeling the wind on my face as I ride around the neighborhood. Buddy runs alongside me, barking happily. When I return home, it's time for dinner. My dad has cooked spaghetti, and it smells delicious. We all sit together at the dining table, my mom, dad, Lucy, and me. During dinner, we talk about our day. My dad tells a funny story about his work, and we all laugh. After dinner, I help my mom wash the dishes. Then, I relax in the living room and watch my favorite TV show. It's an adventure show about a group of kids who solve mysteries. At 8:30 p.m., I take a shower and get ready for bed. Before I sleep, I like to read a book. Tonight, I'm reading an adventure story about a boy who finds a magic map. The story is so exciting that I don't want to stop reading, but I know I need to sleep. At 9:30 p.m., I turn off the light and lie in bed. I think about my day and all the fun things I did. "Good night," I whisper, and soon I fall asleep, ready for another exciting day tomorrow. This is my typical day. How about yours?